Making food is easy, but you need to know the tips and tricks on how to go about it. That's why Chef Bossa is here for you. Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Bossa, and on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make the perfect fluffy moi-mois. In order not to waste your time, let's get right into it. These are the ingredients you need to make your fluffy moi-moi. That's your washed beans, your coconut milk, your eggs, your vegetable oil, your seasoning cube, your corned beef, your crayfish, onion, salt to taste, and then your pepper mixture. And mind you, there is no tomato in this. This just consists of red bell peppers, your chili peppers, and your red pepper, that's your atarodo, and then your moi-moi leaves. And these are all the ingredients you need. Bring out your blender if your blender can blend your beans paste to make it smooth. So I'm just going to add our beans, that's our washed beans, inside the blender. And mind you, the blender cannot take everything at once, so I'm going to divide it into two. Then after that, I'm going in with our onion and also our pepper mixture, and then our coconut milk. Yes, our coconut milk. We'll be blending this to it, and then also a little bit of water. Time for us to blend. So we're just going to blend this until it is very smooth. Then after blend, this is all I got from the beans and my pepper mixture. So this is all I got. So time for us to mix our other ingredient to it. Next ingredient is our vegetable oil. So we're just going to add our vegetable oil to this, and we're just going to keep mixing until it is properly and well combined together. Next ingredient is our crayfish. So this is our blended crayfish. After that, we're just going to go in with our corned beef. Mind you, I mixed the corned beef with water so it will be easier for me to mix together. Next step is our seasoning cube. Then a little bit of salt to taste. Then we're just going to mix this together until it is combined together. Time for us to wrap our moi-moi in its leaf. So my sweet fingers lovers, let me know if you know how to do this. If you don't know how to wrap your moi-moi in a leaf, kindly drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to do a tutorial for you, a step-by-step tutorial for you, so you can know how to wrap your moi-moi in a leaf. So we're just going to pour this together and add our eggs to it, our boiled eggs to it. Then we're just going to drop it in the pot, and I'm going to add a little bit of water to the side of the pot, then cover with leaves. just exactly what I'm doing like this. We'll cover with lid and I'm going to allow it to boil on a medium heat between 25 to 35 minutes. Mind you, moi-moi takes steaming method to get cooked. That if you want to have the perfect fluffy moi-moi, you need to make this with a steaming method. And this is what we have. This is so perfect. It tastes great. There is no any issue with it. It is so nice, so sweet, so perfect. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this video. Would you be recreating this video? Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share for everyone and for your family and friends, and most especially thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.